Knowing and tracking production lead times is a key KPI for production managers, as it reduces inefficiencies and associated costs. When you create a bill of materials, you'll see these editable production duration fields. First, enter duration type. If your production takes approximately the same amount of time regardless of quantity, for example, brewing 100 litres versus 200 litres, select Assembly. If your production duration increases with each item added, for example, 2 bookcases will take roughly double the time as making one, select Per Unit. Next, enter the expected duration in hours, minutes, and seconds. The average duration field is calculated based off of the actual duration of your most recent 50 completed assemblies, which you can enter on the assembly page here after the production is complete. This will optimize your scheduling and thereby lower your production costs. The expected duration comes directly from your BOM. The duration comments field can be made accessible or hidden in the role permissions settings. This feature is on by default. The settings can be amended by going into your company settings and then selecting the Settings tab. Scroll down to edit the production hours and workdays, then click Save.